Hi guys! Today I'm going to show you how to embroider a pair of eyes on this little crochet cat. You will need some black embroidery floss, about 4 arms length, and some blue one about the same length for later. You will also need an embroidery needle. As you can see, I've pressed in with my thumbs to give me a rough idea where the eyes should go, and that will serve as a guide for me to decide where to insert my needle. Now from the back of your work, insert your needle into what will become the inner corner of an eye. Pull through, leave a length of thread behind for securing later. Play around with your thread a little bit to find the best spot for the outer corner of the eye. And insert your needle to the back of the head. Pull through. Leave some slack so you can reshape later if needed. Now, in order to create the curve of the upper eyelid, you're going to insert your needle centrally and slightly above the 2 corners of the eye. Pull through. Fold your thread up to see if that's enough to create a curve. And if you're happy with the shape, insert your needle back into the exact same spot and over the eyelid. Pull through. Not too tight so you can reshape if needed. Now, I usually like to add another of these lifting points, but it's entirely up to you if you're happy with the current shape. I'm going to add another one. So, inserting the needle from the back of the head into a new spot to create another lift. Pull through. And repeat the process as you did before. Inserting the needle back in the exact same spot over the eyelid towards the back of the head. Reshape if needed. And that's it for the upper eyelid. You could even leave it like this for a cute anime look, but I'm going to add some more detail. So onto the lower eyelid. Insert the needle back into the back of the head so it comes out directly from the outer corner of the eye. Pull through. Then insert your needle back into the inner corner of the eye, into the back of the head. Pull your needle through. Again, as for the upper eyelid, play around with your yarn and decide where the best spot to create a curve would be. And insert your needle into it from the back of the head. Wrap your thread over the tip of the needle that's coming out and pull your thread through. Play around again, see if that works, and if it does, insert your needle towards the back of the head. Not too tight so you can rearrange the shape if needed. And that's it for the outline of this eye. Now you can go on to the other eye, and you only have to repeat the process, starting with the inner corner of the eye, then the outer corner of the eye, creating curves. Exactly like you did with the first eye. Once you're done with the second eye, you can secure the loose threads at the back of the head. Just tie a double knot. Not too tight so that you don't pull your work at the front of the head. And you're now ready to start filling in the eyes. Thread your needle with some blue embroidery floss or any color you like. And from the back of the head to the front of the head, bring out your needle just inside the outer corner of an eye. Then insert it just inside the inner corner of the eye. Pull through, and as always, not too tight, so you're able to reshape if needed. Now bring out your needle slightly above and inwards from where you first brought it out, and insert it back just above and slightly inwards from where you first put it back through in the inner corner of the eye, and pull through. Now repeat the process, going slightly up and further inwards as you go along. Carry on doing this until you're satisfied that the eye is completely filled in. If you're enjoying this video, please make sure to give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel. Hit that bell button to be notified of new content every time. Thank you. Carrying on with the eye now. That blue iris is shaping up nicely. One last stitch. Once you're happy with the result, you can now move on to the other eye and repeat the process. And once both eyes are done, you can now secure your thread with a double knot at the back of the head. Don't pull too tightly and cut off. Alright, let's do the pupils now. So with black thread again, bring out your needle centrally in between the upper black outline and the blue iris. Then put it through centrally between the lower black outline and the blue iris and pull through. Reshape if needed, and repeat the process once more to make the pupil a little bit more substantial. Pull through, not too tight, and repeat with the other eye. As always, reshape if needed. Don't forget to secure your yarn at the back of the head, as I forgot to film it, sorry. And you're done. Thank you so much for watching.